In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript to Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your code and how to save it safely so it's ready for your storefront. Before we jump in, a quick best practice. If you can, work in a duplicate of your live theme. That way you can experiment without affecting customers. You can always publish your changes once you're happy with the results. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This takes you to the Themes section, where you'll see your current theme at the top and any other themes you've installed below it. Next, look for the three dots next to the theme's Customize or Edit button. Click those three dots and choose Edit Code. This opens the code editor, which shows all the theme files organized by folders in a sidebar on the left. In the editor, locate your theme in the sidebar and expand the Assets folder. This is the place where your theme stores style sheets, images, and JavaScript files. We're going to add a new JavaScript file here so it's neatly organized with the rest of your assets. Click the Add File icon in the Assets section to create a new file. Give your file a clear, descriptive name and make sure the file name ends with .js. For example, you might call it custom.js or cart enhancements.js. The JS extension is essential because it tells Shopify and the browser that this is a JavaScript file. Once your new file opens in the editor, you can paste in your JavaScript or start writing it directly. Keep your code clean and readable, with comments that explain what each section does. If you're adding functionality that runs on many pages, consider wrapping your code so it doesn't leak variables into the global scope. Also, avoid long-running tasks that could slow down page loads, and test in small pieces so it's easier to troubleshoot. When you're satisfied with the code you've added or edited, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Saving writes the file into your theme's assets so it's stored alongside your other theme resources. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. Creating the file places it in your theme, but whether it's automatically included on your storefront depends on your theme's setup. Some themes load certain assets by default, while others require you to ensure the file is referenced. If you don't see your changes on the storefront, review how your theme includes scripts or check your theme documentation. Finally, preview your theme to confirm everything behaves as expected. Test the pages where your script should run and keep a backup of earlier versions so you can roll back if needed. That's all it takes to add custom JavaScript to your Shopify